If you haven't been able to tell, I freaking love bananas. This cake is bananas on top, bananas inside, and it's a bit of an upside down cake. Let's get into it. So, flying to tin, preheated the oven. And just over here, I've left the skins on so that I get a nice cut without breaking the banana. I always say, there's no way to fake the ripening of bananas. You just have to let nature do its thing. So you'll see I'm now peeling them in half so they don't break. And then I'm just laying them down into the tin. I've now got this kind of spiral of bananas, and I'm just filling in these gaps. And you can see we've got this kind of lovely spiral of bananas happening. And then I'm going to take some brown sugar or muscovado sugar and just sprinkle it all the way across, and it's just going to melt down into a syrup. So that's the bananas to one side, and then in another bowl, I'm mashing these bananas in. And then I'm adding my brown sugar, my plant-based milk, extra virgin olive oil, and the vanilla paste. And then I'm just whisking everything together. And then in another bowl, I've got my plain flour, salt, bicarbonate soda, and baking powder. And I'm just giving those a whisk. This is my way of sifting flour. And then I take the banana liquids, and then we're just whisking everything to combine and break down any lumps of flour. And then as soon as it's combined, we're pouring this and just spreading this all the way around. Just giving this a little tap, a little spin to level it. I'm just putting some foil on top. It's quite a large cake. I want to bake it for about 30 minutes with the foil on, and then take the foil off to finish baking. So our banana cake is cooling down. It's not cold, but it's cooling down. And I'm just going to cut it to release it from the edge of the tin. I'm just going to place the plate on top. Now tell me that isn't a work of art.